Hi, we are learning Java, and in this part we will understand nested if and else condition, right? So this we will understand by an example, right? So if you will type a positive number, if you will type 0, it will show you this is 0, and if you will type a positive number, it will show you this is a positive number. And also for the negative number also, if you type a -1, -2 and -3 and any minus number, right? So let's write code and understand nested if and else condition. So let's define the variable and store. We have a variable integer type num, and we have a stored 0, and just type a condition if, right? So if your number is greater than 0, right? So we know that if the number is greater than 0, so the number is positive, right? So let's system.out.println and number is positive, right? And the next thing, so let's run this and understand, right? So number is greater than 0, right? So this is a positive, but our number is 0, right? At this time our number is 0, so let's write a positive number, and you can see number is positive, right? It's pretty simple. And if you just type 0, so it will not show any message when you run, right? And when you type -1, it will not show any message, right? Because we didn't put any other condition, right? So just write else if and just put it the condition, right? So if the number is less than 0, so we know that if the number is 0 less than 0, so this is called negative number, right? So this is nested if and else condition. You can put many else if condition, right? I will show you in a minute, just wait. So let's show the message to the user, system.out.println, and number is negative, right? Because our number is at this time our number is -1, right? And -1 is less than 0, so this is the negative number. If you have a lots of conditions, so you can put as if like this, and you can put a condition, right? You are free to put many nested many else if condition, and you can put, right? So for understanding I will copy and paste, right? So just remove this. So if any condition is not matched, right, means not a negative and not positive, if you type 0, so this block else block will run. So system.out.println and number is 0, right? So let's run this example, right? So let's change -1 and let's run this. So it will show your number is negative, because absolutely we have a -1, and just type 0, your number, it should print your number is 0, right? So it's pretty easy. So today we have understood else and else if and else if many conditions. So this is called nested if and else condition, right? So if you like, please subscribe my channel, and don't